welcome. Today I'm going to be making for you all a chicken salad. Now I already prepped everything ahead of time. I cooked the chicken breast with some Cajun seasoning. You don't want to put too much of salt because we're going to be putting a vinaigrette on this. I have sliced onions, roasted corn. You can do this on your grill or on your stove. Avocado. I have a medley of colored tomatoes, some lemon juice, chopped parsley. I have some Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and olive oil. So let's put this salad together. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my vinaigrette. So here I have the lemon juice, and to that I'm going to be using this Cajun seasoning as my salt and pepper element. You just want to put how much you would want to flavor your salad. I'm just going in with some freshly crushed black pepper. Just give that a whisk, and then you're going to slowly drizzle in some olive oil or avocado oil or whatever oil you like using. Okay, once you've mixed your vinaigrette, just set it aside. In a big bowl, you're going to add all of your ingredients. The chopped tomatoes, corn. Now guys, I'm using vegetables that I have on hand. You can use whatever vegetables you like for this. The avocado, the chicken, and if you don't eat chicken, you can use tofu. You can fry tofu and use that, or you can use shrimp. You can grill shrimp, and some chopped onions together with the parsley. Now I'm just gonna toss this lightly before I add the vinaigrette in. Those colors look so beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to add in the vinaigrette, and the vinaigrette, the lemon in that vinaigrette is going to help the avocado from turning black or brown or being discolored. And all you do is just toss to coat in that vinaigrette, and then the salad is ready. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for an easy chicken salad. If you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. One more time, if you wanted to use grilled fish for this, you can. So thank you all so much for watching. Remember, if you like the video, to share it. And I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!